Gate wall, also known as shut-off wall, stop wall, knife wall, slide wall, or linear motion wall. They are one of the most commonly used wall and are primarily used to prevent the flow of liquid. When handle wheel will be rotated in clockwise direction, steam and gate will move in downward direction across the fluid flow line and gate will tightly locate between the two seats. Hence, there will not be any leakage of fluid through the wall once wall is closed completely. When handle wheel will be rotated in anti-clockwise direction, steam and gate will move in upward direction across the fluid flow line and valve will be open from closed position and will permit the flow of fluid through the gate valve. Once gate valve is completely open, it will permit no resistance or very little resistance to the fluid of flow. Gate valves are not usually used to regulate flow because the valving element can be damaged when in the partially open position. These valves are pretty much kept either fully open or fully closed. Gate valve can be used such as high temperature and high pressure environment. There are three ways to classify the gate valve. Number 1. Wedges or disc type gate valve. Gate valve wedge open and close the flow of liquid by the vertical movement, which can be manual or operated by an actuator. There are four types of wedges valve: flexible wedge, solid wedge, split wedge, and parallel slide gate valve. Number 2. Stem type gate valve. Stem type gate valves are non-rising stem gate valve and rising stem gate valve. There are some other types of gate valve based on their bonnet connections: screwed bonnet, bolted bonnet, welded bonnet, and pressure seal bonnet. Gate valve are used in many industrial applications including oil and gas industry, pharmaceutical, manufacturing, automotive, and marine industry. So let's talk about some advantages of gate valve. Number 1. It open or close slowly, which prevent fluid hammer and subsequent damage to the piping system. Number 2. They need long operation time since setting the valve to the fully open or closed position requires the handle to be turned many times. Number 3. It is a good choice for on-off service. Number 4. It is used for full flow and low pressure drop. Number 5. It is functioning in two directions. Now let's talk about some disadvantages of gate valve. Number 1. It is not suitable for throttling applications. Number 2. It is prone to vibration in the partially open state. Number 3. It is more subject to seat and disc wear. Number 4. Lapping and grinding are generally more difficult to accomplish. Globe valve have a disc which can completely open or completely close the flow path. This is done with the perpendicular movement of the disc away from the seat. The annular space between the disc and the seat ring gradually changes to allow fluid flow through the valve. As the fluid travels through the valve, it changes direction and increases the pressure. Globe valves are installed with the stem vertical and the fluid stream connected to the pipe side above the disc. This helps to maintain a tight seal when the valve is fully closed. When the globe valve is open, the fluid flows through the space between the edge of the disc and the seat. Globe valves are commonly used as an on-off valve, but they may be used for throttling system. The gradual changes in spacing between the disc and seat ring give the globe valve good throttling ability. This linear motion valve can be used in a variety of applications as long as the pressure and temperature limited are not exceeded, and the process does not require special material to combat corrosion. Depending on the type of the body, there are three types of globe valve: Z type, Y type and angle type. Let's talk about some advantages of globe wall. Globe wall is recommended for throttling application. It is also good for frequent operation. It is easy to repair. It is available in T, Y and angle pattern, each offering unique capabilities. It is easy to machine or resurface the seats which disc not attached to the stem. Wall can be used as a stop check wall. Now let's talk about some disadvantages. High pressure drop compared to a gate wall. Globe wall are most costlier than their alternative. The ball gets its name from the ball that rotates to open and close the wall. Ball valves are used in situations where tight shutoff is required. They are wide duty valves, able to transfer gases, liquid and liquids with suspended solids. Now let's talk about controlling of ball valves. The closure element of a ball valve consists of a ball-shaped disc. The valve is opened by a quarter turn of the actuator. The turn lines the hole in the ball parallel to the flow so the fluid is able to pass through the valve. When the valve is closed, the ball is rotated so the hole is perpendicular to the flow, blocking the flow of liquid. Balls do not use the entire sphere to block flow. They only use enough to block the port. Now let's talk about the functions of ball valve. Ball valves are the best used for fast acting stop-start application. They are considered quick acting because they only require a 90-degree turn of the handle to operate the valve. Ball valve can be used for throttling service if a high level of accuracy is not required. Throttling causes the partially exposed seat to erode because of high velocity flow and pressure. The wear will eventually lead to the valve leakage. Leakage can be corrected if the manual ball valve is automated and is able to move faster in response to a changing position signal. Now let's talk about some common type of ball valves. Number 1. Full port ball valve. Number 2. Standard port ball valve. Number 3. V-port ball valve. Number 4. Trunnion ball valve. Number 5. Floating ball valve. And number 6. Manually operated ball valves. Now let's talk about some importance of ball valve. Ball valves are very efficient with gas and liquid media. This type of valve can be used for challenging chemicals such as dry chlorine, hydrofluoric acid or hydrochloric acid and oxygen. Slurry transport is not highly recommended because the slurry tends to solidify in the cavities around the ball and seats. Now let's talk about some advantages of ball valve. Ball valve provides bubbles tight service. Easy to operate. It maintains and regulates high volume, high pressure and high temperature flow. They offer a long service life and when used under the right condition. Low purchase and maintenance cost. It's able to function without the side loads. It permits inspection and repair of seats and seal without removing the valve body from the line. Ball valves don't need any lubrications. Now let's talk about some disadvantages of ball valves. It is poor in throttling characteristics. It's difficult to clean, lead to contaminations. Butterfly valve is very different from other valves. The butterfly uses a circular plate or wafer operated by a wrench to control flow. A 90-degree turn of the wrench moves the wafer from a fully open position to a fully closed position. The wafer remains in the stream of flow and rotate around the shaft connected to the wrench. As the valve is being closed, the wafer rotates to become perpendicular to the direction of flow and act as a dam to reduce or stop the flow. When the wrench is rotated back to the original position, the wafer aligns itself with the direction of flow and allow the commodity to pass through the valve. Butterfly valves have minimal turbulence and pressure drop. They are good for on-off and throttling service and perform well when controlling large flow amount of liquid and gases. However, these valves do not normally create a tight seal and must be used in a low pressure situation or where some leakage is permissible. There are different types of butter valves available in the market like wafer butterfly valve, triple offset valve, lugged butterfly valve. Now let's talk about some advantages of butterfly valve. It's easy to install and operate. It's affordable, maintenance friendly, and convenient to repair. It can transfer mud with a negligible fluid deposit in the pipeline outlet. Butterfly valve is a very good at low pressure and open and close easily. Butterfly valve disc is lightweight when compared to its competitor. Now let's talk about some disadvantages of butterfly valve. It has poor sealing function. Throttling is restricted to low pressure drop system. Possible cavitation and choke flow is worry when butterfly valve performed.
Check valves are designed to prevent backflow. It means that valve can stop the flow from coming back through the valve. It is also known as one-way valve, non-return valve, etc. Check valve does not require hand wheel to operate the valve because it works through gravity and pressure of the commodity to operate the valve. There are many types of check valve, but the most common types are swing check valve, lift check valve, swing check valve. The swing check valve is installed as an associate to the gate valve. This valve has a swinging gate that is hinged at the top and open to pass flow through the valve. When the valve disc is open, a clear flow path is created through the valve. This clear path creates minimal turbulence and pressure drop with the valve. Pressure must always be under the disc for the valve to function properly. When the flow comes back, the pressure and weight of the commodity will force the disc for stopping all backflow. Check valves are often regarded as safety precautionary equipment. Lift check valve. The lift check valve design is similar to the globe valve. Lift check valves are particularly suitable for high pressure service. As flow enters the valve, the disc is lifted up of the seat allowed to pass the flow. When the flow stops or reverse, the piston or ball is forced onto the seat of the valve to stop the flow. There are two types of lift check valves, horizontal and vertical. There are some other types of check valves like tilting disc check valve, stop check valve, folding disc check valve, and vertical or inline check valve. Now let's move to the advantages of check valve. Check valves are generally small, simple, and inexpensive. Check valves are self-actuated and it does not require to operate manually. It protects equipment from damage caused by backflow. Now let's come to the disadvantages of check valve. It is difficult to determine whether the valve is open or closed because all moving parts are enclosed. It has limitation on its installation configuration.